Hello Unanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today gagawa tayo ng best chili garlic sauce sa ating masarap na siomai na pwede sa steam siomai. Yan! Yummy! At syempre, pwede rin ito sa ating masarap na fried siomai. At kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano ang mga ingredients nito, panoodin nyo ang buong video at huwag nyo kalimutang pindutin ang big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Thank you!
Thank you po.
Thank you! Unanimous friend, ito ang ating ingredients: garlic, chili flakes, red chili, sugar, onion, ground black pepper, salt, syempre ang oil. And then optional lang yung paggamit ng ating special suka. You can use calamansi juice. Pero kung gusto nyong gumamit ng suka, any kind of vinegar you can use. Pero itong akin, yung special suka ko. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano paggawa nitong special suka, so, nasa description box lang ito. So, start na natin ang ating paggawa ng ating best garlic chili sauce. First, tanggalin natin itong mga nasa ulo ng chili and then i-chop natin. Kung may processor kayo, para mas madaling i-chop. Yan, tapos na, i-chop natin. Next, yung garlic naman. Then, chopin natin yung onion. Ayan, na-chop na natin lahat. Tara, lutuin na natin ang ating best chili garlic sa labas. Let's start cook. We need 1.5 cup of oil. Pag mainit ng mantika, let's fry the garlic. Stir it. After a while, add the onion. Stir to combine until the garlic turns slightly brown. Then add the chili flakes and the fresh red chili pepper. Stir constantly until the red chili turns to slightly dark red. Now, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons of vinegar or calamansi juice. Mix it well. Let it cool, then transfer it to the glass container. Unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. I love you until next negosyo time or until next video. Bye!